This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Mona Gabriel. Welcome to this modern farmhouse-style home completely renovated for today's busy lifestyle. Be greeted at the front porch with outdoor swing, then step into this nearly 4,800 square feet southern retreat with open floor plan, custom paneling and hardwood floors. The kitchen, with shaker cabinets, has a huge center island and is open to the oversized dining room, sunroom with built-ins, and cozy family room with fireplace and bar with direct access to the acre yard and huge pavered patio with seating and fire pit, or take refuge in the she shed. The primary ensuite with custom walk-in closet offers a new bath with dual vanities, soaking tub and walk-in shower. There are a total of 5 bedrooms on the second floor plus an additional bedroom and office on the first floor. The room over garage is a perfect flex room. This home offers a new roof, HVAC units, and an 8-space driveway. Close proximity to bike paths, swim/racquet club, and elementary school. Kingston Elementary. For more information, review the details below.